In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear storage space on Google Drive using your PC. If you've been struggling to manage your digital clutter, this guide is perfect for you. We'll take a closer look at a few simple steps that will help you free up space and optimize your Google Drive experience. To start off, you'll want to navigate to your web browser and open Google Drive. Make sure you're logged into your account. This is the first and most essential part of the process since, without access to your account, you won't be able to manage your files. Once logged in, you'll see the familiar layout consisting of files and folders. If you're someone who frequently uploads documents, images, and videos, space might be running out quickly, so let's look at ways to fix this. A great place to start is by identifying the largest files that you might not need anymore. Google Drive allows you to easily sort files by size. Just click on the Storage button located on the left side of your screen. This feature gives a comprehensive list, where the heaviest files are displayed at the top. As you go through this list, keep an eye out for files like old presentations, outdated video content, or large PDFs that you no longer use. Deleted files can be downloaded onto an external drive or your PC in case you think you might need them later. After narrowing down the files you wish to delete, the next step is dragging them to the trash. Simply right-click each of these files and select Remove. It's important to note that moving files to the trash doesn't permanently free up space. You'll need to empty the trash to finalize deleting these files. Navigate to the Trash option, usually on the left side, and click Empty Trash at the top to clear these items permanently from your drive, giving you more available space. Consider assessing your Google Photos and emails, as these also consume drive space due to Google's interlinked system. With photos, it's helpful to delete duplicates or less important pictures. As for emails, try clearing out old, oversized attachments or large email threads to further free up space. This thorough approach ensures you're not missing any significant storage consumers. Lastly, to maintain a well-oiled Google Drive system, make it a habit to regularly check on your storage usage. This will help prevent future issues and keep your drive as efficient as possible. Keep track of periodic cleanups and deal with any unnecessary files as they accumulate. By practicing these steps, you'll consistently manage your Google Drive space efficiently and with ease. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insightful tips.